Hello, hi everyone, welcome to the Tech Brands channel. Today we will see a problem inside the Kali Linux. After installing Kali Linux, we have to download these packages and we have to update that packages. So while updating those packages, it was very slowly downloading. So everyone getting this problem, I think I'm also getting this problem. So I will show you the solution, what you have to do. First of all, we will see a problem, what was the problem is. Just click on sudo su and hit the password. After hitting the password, you can see interface like this. Just clear all the things and just enter the command called apt update. Just hit enter. You can see that process has been started and it was very slow comparing to our net speed. Our net speed is more than 5 mbps. You can see our net speed also. Just open this Chrome tab and speed test. So you can see that I will click on this run test. So you can see my net speed was absolutely 50 mbps speed, but it was showing that the file was downloading like a kbps. So it's lower than the 2G also. So how to fix this bug? So it's very easy. So I will teach you everything. I have everything on my commands. Just a second. So I will show you each and every command. So first of all, there is a few steps. Basic mirror list. So what I want to say is, I will explain you clearly. Don't get again. I will showing you problem, whatever problem we are facing. apt update. So we are facing a problem with this while downloading the packages because it was very slow due to this domain, because this domain was heavy loaded on the servers. So everyone was hitting on the same domain, so this download has been decreases as a speed. So we have to change this domain, and if we change this domain means we will automatically increase the speed. So how to change this domain? It's very easy. Just open your browser inside the Kali. Just I will give you these commands in the description also, you don't need to worry. Just copy this first command, basic mirror list. So nothing but it's a mirror list, all provided by Kali Linux only. Just open this mirror list website. You can see an interface like this. After opening this website, you can found here 4 mirrors in the other parts of the world. So you have to click on the first, not on the first, whatever, which one is speed for you, you can select that. But I will select the first one. I think the first one is more speed. I already tested before. So it will ask you download. Just click on close the tab and just open the new browser. You can see here it was the URL. Inside that URL you can see here a domain called mirror-1.truenetwork.ru. This is the domain you have to copy into the clipboard. So I have already copied into the clipboard. So this is the server URL. So you can see in here second command. So I have already opened this server URL by using this mirror list. So I opened this server URL on the next tab. So after opening that, you can see that my server list second URL is completed. Second point. The next point was a source list. You have to open this source list website. Inside Kali you have to enter source list. Source list. After opening the Kali Linux source list, you can see an interface like this. I have also given a inside the URL. If you want, you can copy from description also. Otherwise, you can simply enter source list. It will automatically open the Kali Linux source list. This is the same. These URLs are the same. Just the third command. So after going to the third option, so you have to scroll down. You can see here switching branches or regular repositories. Inside that there is a command called echo, and this command is useful to change the domain what we have facing on while downloading. So you can see here what we are facing to here problem was downloading problem, speed problem. So we have to change this FTP domain. If we want to change that FTP domain, so we need to copy this command. So I already copied to the notepad. So you can see here I copied this command only. Okay guys, no need to worry. From where to where copy you need to copy, I will explain you. From echo to the end of the command. Just copy that command and paste into the notepad. That's okay. After that, next point was replace command domain with server URL domain. Here command domain was from starting here to org. This was the command domain. So we have to change this domain to increase the speed of the download. So replace the command domain with a server URL domain. Server URL domain is nothing but this one. We have server URL domain is there. Just copy this and replace here. On the next command I will show you clearly here. I pick the domain mirror URL from here. From here I pick the domain and pasted here separately. And I also copied this command in the next line to make it clear for you. Just copy this domain and paste it here. So I already pasted it here, so you can observe here. So I replaced this http kali org with my pick domain from server URL. So you can see here I have replaced this. After replacing this, you have to copy this command. Copying this command, enter this command in the terminal as kali home. So you have to see this last point. Definitely don't get hurry. Just close this tab and just open as new. Enter sudo su. This is root permission. So enter the password as a kali. Whatever password you set, you can enter that. After that, clear all these commands. Just you can see here that this was inside that home kali. If you paste now in the clipboard and if you enter means it shows that the mirror command has been set successfully. So you can see that main non-free contribution. So now you can test the speed apt update. So after entering this, you can test the speed. The speed was increased. See, 17 MB was downloading like an Mbps. It was so high. If you compare this, you can see here per second 2 Mbps was downloading. So the speed was increased. I will show you clearly also just a few seconds. See, 40 MB was completed. Now it's very fast. So I think this video is helpful you to increase the speed of the downloading inside the Kali Linux. So for more videos in any technology, so please subscribe our channel for getting more knowledge in the videos. And if you get any problems, you can comment so I can make those videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.